Good morning, traders. Today is October 21st. This is Brad Matheny. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Mint LiveTrades and the foreign ETFs, how powerful these have been. Now, remember, LiveTrades works in two modes. Standard mode, which is targeted daily swing trading, or let's call it targeted sniper type trading, in and out, and then rotational mode. And rotational mode has been on fire. Take a look at some of these trades. BRZU was long from end of July of this year. Remember, that's only a couple months back. It's already up 25.8%. Huge move. We got in at 71.91, and it's currently at 90.54. CQQQ got in again middle of July. It's up 27%. EDC, we got in the end of August. That's only 2 months old. It's 34%. EDZ, we got in end of August. It's already up 39%, 2 months old. EFA got in at the end of August. It's already up 9.6%. EFG, we got in at the end of August. It's up 12%. EFV, at end of August, again, really only a month and a half old. It's up 8.3%. EURL, end of August, short, up 34%. FYLD, up in at the end of August, up 9, almost 10%. IDEV got in at the end of August again. It's up 8.49%. IDV got in at the end of August. We're up 14%. IEFA got in at the end of August. All of these are less than 60 days old that I've been showing you so far. Up 8.86%. INDL, we got in just a month ago. It's relatively flat right now. KORU, we got in at the end of August 2022, and it's up 40%. I mean, wow, that's an incredible move. PID got in at the end of August, less than 60 days ago. It's up 12%. SCHF, we got in at the end of August. It's up 7.84%. SCZ, we got in the end of August. It's up 12.8%. SPDW, we got in at the end of August. It's up 8.11%. VEA, end of August. It's up 9%. VSS, end of August. It's up 10, almost 11%. VWO, we got in at the beginning of September. It's up almost 11%. Yang, we got in at the end, middle of July. It's up 104%, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That's just incredible. Yen, we got in the middle of July, and it's up 61%. I mean, this is just really incredible. Now, the rotational modeling system is different from the standard modeling system in the sense that the standard modeling system generates triggers in and out. So BRZU looks like it's won 4 of the last 6 trades. Let's take a look at this so you can see. So the last couple of winners here is 18%, 17%, then we had 11% loser. These are targeted in and out trades. You can see 10%. So we'll do a quick math here. 10, 17 and a half. Plus 18 would be 36 roughly, plus 17 would be about 40, 36 plus 17, 46, 51, 52%. And then we take off the losses here. 52 minus 12 is 40, minus 20 is 30. So overall, you'd be up about 30% having taken these trades. And this was from the beginning of this year, March until now. But the targeting of these rotational moves is quite outstanding in the sense that the standard modeling system allows you to execute targeted in and out, kind of like scalping trades. They're not really scalping trades. Let's just call them targeted trades. Whereas the rotational modeling system gives you the ability to trade in and out of longer term swing trading. Longer term swing trading gives you the ability to ride out bigger trends, but you need to be cautious of when the markets enter a sideways type of a momentum. So understand, we've seen big changes in trends because of the strength in the dollar. If the dollar were to roll lower, downward, then we'd end up having the same type of scenario again. We'd end up having some real concern with regards to how these foreign markets are going to trend. And that's why a lot of times, for example, these Reddit lists are great for you as well. The pure alpha gives you very clear, targeted, strategic trades, and they provide very solid ranking. Here, for example, with Adobe, you can see our last trade was 20% with Adobe. This is our last 6 entry. We're in a current long trade. You can see the downside risk is basically based on the volatility. This is where our stop system, our protective mechanism pulled us out of a trade before we were able to actually get into some of these bigger winners. So now if we come back over here to the Reddit list, and go to the rotational modeling system, you'll start to see some numbers as they play out. So CC is up 1.67 just yesterday. So a lot of these trades up near the top are going to be just over the last day or two. Let's go down and find some trades. Here's one. Apple short from about 3 weeks ago is up 8.5%. AI short from about 3 weeks ago is up 30%. AMC short from about 4 weeks ago is up 33%. AMD short from about a month and a half ago is up 28%. Amazon short from about a month and a half ago is up 9.9%. The list goes on and on. Let's see some bigger numbers. BBBY is off 21%. BE is up 24%. DM is up 20%. DTE is up 16%. DWAC is up 45%. Remember, this is just about 2 months ago. ES is up 19%. FDX is up 27%. FOR is up 46%. GGG is up 3%. These are some, let's see, these are about a week and a half ago. GME is up 23%. Google is up 9%. HD is up 7%. So understand that these rotational modeling trades can be very, very powerful. You should be running a smaller percentage of your allocation until you get the hang of it. Watch the protection level. So understand that the protection level kicks into play. Let me come back up to the top and highlight this. So here's one of our newest trades. We're in at 299, right? That's our entry price. We're at 302. We've only got 1% right now. This is our protection level. Our trade protection level is designed to help us determine where we want to watch for weakness of trend, failure of this signal. So hypothetically, in this particular case, we got in at 120. Our trade protection level is 118.51. So that's going to be about 10 or 11% below our entry price. We're at minus 6.75. We're still in a decent short trade. We want to try to see this. Actually, this is a short. So we're already above our protection level here. So this is a short. We got in at 120. Our protection level has moved down. This was from 1021. So basically, we want to try to watch this above 118.51 as risk. With CC here, we're long at 29.05. We're 29.56. Our protection level is 26.88. We want to be cautious of this trade around 26.88. CD, we got in at 696. We're at 676 right now. We want to be cautious at 794. The trade protection level is designed to help you determine whether or not your trade is at risk or not. If it stays away from the protection level and stays in the trend that we're expecting, then you're looking at a pretty good potential trend. So see, here's a long trade in FA. The protection level's already above our entry price. So this is technically a at-risk trade right here. Netflix, we got in at 268.16. Protection levels at 231. This is a not at-risk trade. UNH, we got in at 525. Target level or protection level is 508. Not at risk. Here we're short from 157. Our protection level is 167. It's a short trade. It's above our entry. We are not at risk right here. AI is 18. Protection levels at 20.48. We're not at risk here. Here we have a AMC short with a protection level at 20. we are not at risk here. Very big risk factor here, but it's moving away from our protection level. And that's how you want to try to use some of these trades. You're going to take a look at them as far as the newest trades. You can come over here and click on new, and these will be the newest rotational trades. So we have Adobe setting up just a couple of days ago, 299 with a 282 protection level. We have ALL setting up just today with a 130 protection level. This is a short trade. We have CC setting up with a 29 entry price, 2688 protection level. That's a decent trade. CD setting up a short with a decent protection level. So you can see these trades set up and they move fairly quickly. Remember, these can last many, many months or weeks depending on how the trade runs. So you have the same standard modeling system with the new triggers. You have the rotational modeling system with the new triggers. And then you have the pure alpha, which are only daily, only standard mode. And these are the ones that have the highest targeted strategic trade executions for you. So these are going to be like the best of the best for the strategic trades. You see Netflix we got in just yesterday. It's up almost 2.5% already. So, okay, guys, pay attention. Things are looking good. Particularly, I think we're going to see a pretty big move over here in these foreign markets. We've seen some great profits here, but get ready. We're probably going to see a lot of new triggers going off. You see, we have no new triggers right here. Everything is older. We're probably going to see a lot of new triggers start to show up with reversal trades over the next 2 months or so. So pay attention. These could be setting up some really hot trades.